Feng Shui is an ancient discipline that aims to subtly influence our actions by arranging our surroundings. By positively arranging the forces around us, we can guide our subconscious toward positive direction, ultimately influencing our actions. This is possible because what we see and hear shapes our behavior and speech, ultimately shaping our lives. In fact, psychologists assert that over 90% of our actions stem from the depths of our unconscious minds. As a practitioner and teacher of Feng Shui, I've visited many affluent homes. From the grand entrance to the living room, these spaces exude an unmistakable air of prosperity. The arrangement, the meticulous attention to detail makes you think, this is why this home belongs to the wealthy. Indeed, the homes of the prosperous are different. This is not just because the wealthy can afford bigger houses or have money to buy expensive items for their homes. Rather, the air of prosperity comes from the flow of the energy of the house, created by the arrangement of various items within it. And that is why, even with inexpensive furniture and on budget, you can create similar air of prosperity if you know how to make your home's energy flow and circulate. This year, you can start by making a small change, such as hanging a picture on the wall, or even changing the wallpaper image on your phone. By looking at these auspicious images that harmonizes with this year's energy, you can subtly influence your subconscious and the energy surrounding you. So today, I will introduce the type of pictures and paintings that would work well in this year of Blue Dragon. But before we continue, please like and subscribe if you find Feng Shui interior information like this useful. First, water element. Water-themed artwork is the most preferable for this year. Whether it's a serene mountain stream, a tranquil lake, or the vastness of the ocean, water symbolizes strength and abundance. Water symbolizes wealth and prosperity. We usually say that dreams featuring flowing water or stream signifies that you will have some money coming in. But you should remember that the water painting should include some sign of movement. Just as money should flow and move, the water should flow and move. If the water stays in one place, the water will decay and rot and become unusable. Therefore, pictures of river, stream, or ocean waves are better than pictures of tranquil pond. The size of the body of water depicted does not matter. Choose images that depict flowing water, perhaps a gentle brook or a majestic waterfall. Clean, pristine water amplifies the effect. So, this year, try changing the wallpaper of your phones with an image featuring clean, flowing water. Second, paintings with the abundant fruits are also good. If possible, paintings showing fruits still on a tree are preferred, but if the picture is one featuring already harvested fruits. Pictures with several fruits in the scene rather than just one or two is better. Paintings featuring fruits are universally liked throughout history. From Feng Shui perspective, this is quite understandable, because fruits are generally said to symbolize family affection, harmony, and happiness within the family. As for the placement of such painting, near the entrance of your home or living room would be the best. Third, artwork featuring trees. Trees symbolize growth and prosperity. Trees are also said to symbolize cultivation of a noble heart. In the paintings depicting trees, grown trees rather than saplings are preferred. And the trees should be living and vital trees, not withered or dead ones. Ideally, choose paintings showing scenes where trees adorn serene mountainsides or landscapes. Such artwork brings peace and happiness to your home. Place these tree-themed paintings in your children's rooms for optimal effect. While they can be placed in your living room, avoid hanging them in your master bedroom or kitchen. If you have students or job seekers in your household, this type of paintings can be particularly beneficial. Remember, position the painting approximately 30 degrees above eye level of the head of the household as a reference. Fourth, peony or sunflower painting. Peony is traditionally known as a symbol of fire. So, in the East, it was favored subject of painting or embroidery. In the recent years, sunflower painting has been also considered to bring similar energy for its obvious associations with the sun. In addition, sunflowers are yellow, which is a color associated with gold in Eastern elemental theories. But there are a couple of points to be cautious when using these pictures. Avoid placing these paintings near your kitchen. Instead, follow the same rule approximately 30 degrees above eye level for optimal positioning. 5. Let's explore paintings of bountiful fields or majestic mountains. These images symbolize safety and fruitful outcomes. When displayed in your living room or bedroom, they ensure stability and material abundance. However, avoid paintings that lead the eye downward, such as those depicting a setting sun. Instead, opt for scenes where sunlight bathes golden fields of grain or where mountains stretch majestically toward the sky. Remember, the sun's rays in these pictures should never descend directly into the home. Whether it's a sun-kissed wheat field or a mountain vista, the key is movement and upward energy. These paintings resonate with prosperity and well-being. Lastly, let's talk about the paintings that feature powerful symbols like dragons, tigers, or turtles. Our ancestors believed that every character or image carries its own energy. Dragons, tigers, or turtles are powerful symbols of energy, strength, and longevity. But these may not be suitable for every household. Unless the dwellers in the house have stronger energy that can control the energy of these symbols, the painting's energy can overwhelm the energy of the family members. So you need to be very careful when choosing artwork featuring these symbols, and I do not recommend casually picking these symbols without careful consultation of Feng Shui experts. Instead, you can use safer options like those I have shared today. These paintings are accessible and carry the promise of wealth and prosperity. Consider placing one in your home or saving it as your phone's wallpaper. Please like this video if you find Feng Shui interior information like this useful. And please subscribe to receive regular Feng Shui tips. It really helps small channel like us. We wish your home a happy and prosperous energy flow.